Are you gonna do the Frankie? Do the Frankie, Helen. She just now put her arms out in front of her a second ago, like that, and said, Frankie, Frankie, which used to walk around like Frankenstein, and we don't know where she got that. Frankenstein. Yeah, but you're not supposed to be mugging for the camera. She would even put a funny face on, like, yeah, and just have her around. Oh, baby. Oh. Here comes the Frankie girl. Oh, baby.
Frankie.
Doggy go. Doggy go.
Doggy? I don't know.
Doggy go. We haven't heard bark in a while.